Hello everybody, Miss Germany here with a Tuesday video for you. I'm talking about a practice that we're going to use for the next couple of weeks, helping you prepare for our FSA exam. And this is a linear equations practice. This is going to review a lot of what we did in January and February, working with our linear equations. So, what is it? Okay, first of all, it's part of your FSA test preparation. So we have two main things that we're going to be doing throughout the month of May to help you prepare for FSAs. The first one is Map Accelerator. We've already been doing this. This one shouldn't be new. 90 active minutes per week in the Map Accelerator program. And I do set aside 2 days of class time for you to do that. So it's not something you're being asked to do 90 minutes outside of normal class. You're getting 2 days a week to actually do this as your class time. The second one, the one we're going to talk about today, is in USA Test Prep, and it is the linear equations practice. So the second practice is located in USA Test Prep. Now, this particular practice has 26 parts. It's a combination of videos, vocabulary, performance tasks, and practice problems. So it's a variety of different pieces, but it's 26 total parts to help you prepare for that part of our FSA exam. It is the most heavily weighted part of your exam. So how do you get into this? Okay, well, first of all, it's in USA Test Prep. So you're going to log into USA Test Prep and you're going to find our assignment, and it's going to look like this. Okay, it's going to be linear equations practice, and it's going to have my name, and then it's going to tell you what this is. There's 26 parts. It has a due date right now of 5/26, but grades are actually going to be due on 5/21. So just be aware of that slight change. All right, so this is what you guys are going to be working on and completing for your major FSA practice in USA Test Prep. Now, when you click on it, and all I did there was click the plus that's at the beginning of it, okay, you're going to see the list of topics, and the activities are actually arranged by topic. All right, so the first one is going to be all about slope. So you'll notice all of these videos are all going to be about slope. And so then we have slope performance tasks, we have a vocabulary, we have performance tasks, and then we have random questions. A section, a topic, starts with videos and ends with random questions. Okay, so it starts with videos and ends with random questions. So all of these items, which there are 10 of, would all be about slope. All right, then you're going to see another set. And I think the second set is about y equals mx plus b. All right, so you're going to see a second set, and you're going to see how these are going to be laid out. I recommend completing them in order, but the truth of the matter is you may do them in any order you want. I didn't specify an order that it has to be in, but I would recommend completing them in order. I would also recommend heavily that you have notebook paper, especially as you do the video and the vocabulary, and take notes. You can pause those videos and write information down as need be. But all of this is designed to help you practice. The last item, the 26th item, is a domain test. And this particular test is something that I did put together for you. And you need to complete this last one. You have 3 attempts. Everything else you can do as many times as you want. But the domain test has 3 attempts and 3 attempts only. All right, so you're going to complete this one. And like I said, it has 3 attempts for this domain test. Now, the first 25 items are all practice. And then the last one is a domain test. So here's what's going to happen. Actually, I'm going to skip forward. The entire assignment is worth 50 points. So each of those practices is worth 2 points, okay? So each of the video, the vocabulary, the performance task, the random questions, each of those is worth 2 points. And you get the points just for completing them. So as long as it says you completed it, then you're going to get those points. The domain test is a little different. The domain test is going to be your chance to add some extra credit into this assignment. So based on your score on the domain test will determine how many points of extra credit you actually get. So if you get between a 90 and a 100, you're going to get 5 points of extra credit. So if you did all of the 25 activities and got a 90 to 100 on your domain test, you're going to get a 55 out of 50. All right, so this is your extra credit part. If you get a 70 to 89, you're going to get 4 points. A 50 to 69, you're going to get 3 points. 30 to 49, you're going to get 2 points. 10 to 29, you'll get 1 point. And if you get 0 to 9 points, which basically means you didn't get any of the questions right, you will not be able to get any extra credit. All right, so this is how this is going to go. All right, so this is how this, from a grading standpoint, is going to go. So the entire thing is worth 50 points, but you have the opportunity to get up to 55 points if you complete all 25 of the practice activities and get an A on the domain test. And again, 3 opportunities on the domain test. Now, assignment schedule. How is this going to fall out? Well, I'm giving you class days to set aside to complete this assignment. So again, I'm trying to make it so this is what you are doing in class. So today, May 4th, is the first day that you guys are going to be able to do, or it opens up, so you should spend time on this. So you're going to do it May 4th, Thursday, May 6th. It's in the class plan to be your assignment, so you've got 2 days this week to work on it. Monday, May 10th, you will be working on this assignment, and Thursday, May 13th. The goal would be to have this assignment completed by the end of the day on Thursday, May 13th. And that is going to set you up for what we're going to do the last week before grades are due, which you'll see another video coming up soon about that. So with 26 items and you've got 4 days, you're going to want to do 6 to 7 activities each day. And that should be, based upon the times of those different things, that should be about that 45-ish minutes. So again, it's falling within a regular class time. So you need to make sure that even though we're not meeting for live class, you are making that time a time to complete what you have to do for class. All right, so spend that regular time working on it. That's what I've set it aside for you. So good luck. You guys can do this. I know it's going to seem really overwhelming, especially when you first start, but it's, again, 4 class days worth of assignments is in one USA test prep assignment. So take your time, make your notes, pause those videos as you need to pause them. You guys can do this. Remember, this is a great, great practice for your FSA math test. This domain is the largest tested domain for FSA, so I wanted to make this right before our FSAs. And I am available by email for questions, as well as the fact that I do have small groups that will be meeting in the afternoons this week and next week. So you can also reach out if you're not already scheduled for small group and you would like to be scheduled. Reach out to me with an email, let me know, and I'll be glad to add you to small group as well. Good luck, everybody. Have a great Tuesday. Bye.